So I gotta film this one, even though it's no good. I actually dug my first pull tab, so I gotta record it. Dream catcher. I don't know what that is. It's pretty hard. I don't think you recorded.
Yes, it is.
I actually found my first coin. Haven't even looked yet.
2 coins.
Oh, that was just the imp. So we are currently getting hit once again with a lovely storm. Kind of a bummer. Won't be out for a while. I'll show you some of our adventures that we had the other day when it was nice. Thanks for checking in. Alright, so we're trying something new today too. And we're gonna try and magnet fishing. So we're gonna see if this works. I don't know how many people come and use this waterway though. So we're dragging it above the creek. Not the creek, the bridge. I cannot talk today. Thank you to my lovely husband for setting up the magnet. Let you know what we get. Maddie can't even see. Alright, we're pulling it up. I think we got something little on it. Pray to God I don't drop my phone. Alright, don't get it hooked on the bridge. We got something I see on there. What'd we get? First cast out. Ah! Something metal. Nothing cool.
Like little bits of metal.
Yeah, little bits of metal. Alright, should we try again? Try the other side?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome back. Now she went and got it hooked on the bridge, so this may be the end of the video. Because this little thing is not going to be able to pull that off. I lied. Well, that was quick. Nobody said we're smart. Alright, on to the next side. Alright, go.
I'm gonna drop it.
We totally have something huge. Totally junk, but we're cleaning up the river.
It's exciting.
Don't drop it.
I'm trying not to.
Some, whatever that is. There it is! Yay!
What is it?
You have gloves on.
Well, they're not waterproof.
Kind of. Part of them are.
Oh, it's all full of muck.
Do not drop it. You hold on with the death grip.
Okay, we're going.
Oh, are we recording? Sorry, guys. I got something. Rinse it out. I'm gonna get my car all dirty.
Oh, cool. It's like a pipe.
Yeah. Big metal pipe. Sweet.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Ew, it's all slimy.
You have gloves on.
So gross. Alright.